First of all, I want to show you how exactly I teach. When I say chromosome align to the equator during metaphase, I just don't say it. I show it like this. Okay. When I say chromatids get separated in anaphase, I just don't say it. You can see yourself the chromatids are moving apart. This is how visual works. It becomes so much easy to understand that particular concept. Someone is here. Who is she? She is Anna. What Anna is doing here? Anna is here to separate chromatids. Means separation happens in anaphase. So I am going to share multiple mnemonics, multiple tricks throughout the session that will help you to remember various facts in biology. Let's talk about another topic where most of the students face challenge, that is DNA replication. There is one enzyme called DNA helicase. DNA helicase acts to separate DNA strand like this. DNA strand gets separate like this. Where DNA helicase acts? DNA helicase acts here to break this bond, and once the bonds gets broken, DNA strand separates. Then there comes an enzyme DNA polymerase. Where DNA polymerase is going? As you can see here, DNA polymerase goes and gets attached to 3' end. You can see yourself. You know why most of the students face challenge in biology? Why they find biology is difficult? Because they read long text and then they try to imagine themselves, and that's where the problem starts, because they fail to imagine in a correct way. In my session, you don't have to imagine anything because I have beautiful visual developed for you. When you see it yourself, it becomes very much easy for you to understand that particular concept. It becomes very much easy to remember that concept for a longer time. As you can see, once the DNA polymerase get attached, DNA polymerase keeps on adding nucleotides, and this is energy dependent process. So I am going to cover each and every sentence, each and every word. I am going to get into the depth of the concept, right? Like this. This is how new DNA strand forms. Okay, let's talk about another topic, that is electron transportation. What happens here? NADH is an electron donor. As you can see, when the electron travels from complex 1 to complex 2, means higher energy level to lower energy level. As you can see, it is moving from higher end to lower end. The energy gets released. As you can see, energy is getting released. Then what happens? That energy is used to pump the protons into intermembrane space. See how easy it is. And this is the reason why my students secure higher marks. They tops in various examinations. When you see it, you understand it, and it becomes very much easy to remember it. Friends, I have a YouTube channel where I teach 250,000 students online every week. I have uploaded more than 2,000 videos on various topics in biology. Through these videos, through this process, I have developed a unique teaching style that helps me break down even the complex topic into simplest one. So whether you are preparing for AP Biology, IB Biology, you are preparing for Biology Olympiad, you are high school students, my sessions are customized to your needs. So see you in the session. Thank you.